We got a 2006 Honda CRV 2.4. So we are going to replace the knock sensor. So the knock sensor is behind the intake manifold. So we want to remove the splash shield that is underneath. So we're going to remove this this cover right here. So we have to remove this this one, all this one. Okay, so I'm going to remove those. So right now we got one. Okay, so to remove those clips, I got this tool right here, or you can use two screwdrivers flat. For me, this one is easier. Okay. So also we're gonna remove those two clips, but one here is missing. Remove this clip here. All right. Remove this one. Alright, let's see. It's coming. We got this one too. Alright. Remove this one. Alright. This one. One more here, but it's gone. This one here. Good. And okay. So I think it is the only one we're going to remove. So we're gonna hold this down like this, and our knock sensor is the one is up there. That one. So that's the knock sensor. Sometimes you have to remove the intake manifold. We want to try to do not remove it and make it easier. So okay, so that one is the knock sensor right there. This one right there. That one. All right, so I have the new sensor here from the dealer. There's one here, this one. and the port number for that sensor is this one right here. I called the auto parts to see if they have it, but no auto parts have the knock sensor. But it's recommend that you put knock sensor from the dealer. It's better, and because that help you to not the check engine light don't come on again. So we're gonna remove the clip. So we're gonna use a long flat driver. All right, so there we're gonna use this. Or you can stick your hand right there. Let's see, let's try it. Oh. There you go. Aha. See, I just try one more time. Okay, so I use this long tool to remove the clip. I use okay. So now we're gonna use a 1/16 1/16 to remove the knock sensor. It's 1/16. Okay. Put this right here. See, yeah, you can see. There you go. All right, so let's see this side. All right. All right, so it's 1/116, so I need to 16. All right. So let's see. Just take your hand. Use your fingers, and it comes loose really easy. Guess I'm gonna use my other hand, this one. Yeah. Very. Okay, let's skip this one right now. Just take your time, guys. Don't rush it. But it's coming out, as you can see. You can see the cap. Now it's. Come on. All right. So I think a few turns more. It's coming out. Whew. All right. I can remove this. No. I'll find this. Oh, it's coming. Look at this guy. There we go. I got the knock sensor right here. Okay. So we make sure it's the same connector. There you go. So we're gonna install this one back right there. All right, so as you can see there. Okay. I'm gonna put this little connector right there. To this side. There you go. So now we're gonna put the new one. I'll adjust this hand right here, the left hand. Okay, just take your time, just put it on and in my both hands. So I'll be right back with you guys. Okay guys, so I'll put the sensor right there. It took me around 10 minutes, but I did it. All right, so just reconnect the sensor, put the splash liner back, and just reset your light. you're checking a light. All right, guys, thank you for watching. Remember, you use 1/16. You're also gonna use a small, this tool right here, and a long one. Where is the long one? Oh, it's loose now. Oh, there it is. And a long one to remove the connector. If the connector is upside, you're gonna use the needle nose here with a 45-degree on it. So, and I think that's it, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.